What's for breakfast?
Yogurt, Greek yogurt actually, with granola and raspberries and blueberries. And if you have honey, we might add some honey.
Oh, I think I do have some leftover honey. I have some of that Savannah Bee. So Maria and I are stopped for lunch at some rest stop. We haven't made it quite to Houston yet. I'll go up on the roof and show you, but the lid fell off of the fridge's roof vent. I've been procrastinating on replacing that thing for like a year and a half, so it was long overdue. There was only one screw holding that thing in, and I had to use the pliers to get that screw out, but it was like spinning around up there. I really don't want to, but I think I need to replace the whole thing. What are you gonna do while I'm doing this repair?
I'm gonna make wraps. Because we're trying to eat a little bit more healthy, that we do wraps, and John got the spinach wraps. Woo!
Fixation Murel.
Yeah. Your French is wonderful.
That's perfect, right?
Oh.
This is the cap that actually goes on the roof. So I'm going to be taking this putty here. It comes in strips like this, and I'll be putting that in the footprint of the vent. And it's going to be easy because I'm replacing one that's just like it. So I'm going to have to scrape it all off with my trusty 5-in-1, which is apparently called a 14-in-1 now because they add all these little gizmos to it. And then putting down fresh putty. And then what is kind of cool is I'm going to be installing this guy. It's a little fan with its own thermometer in there. When the temperature gets high enough, it'll turn on and blow the air out the top of the vent. So this will help cool the coils behind the fridge. I'm going to be installing this little metal guy like this. And then I believe it'll be like that. So what the instructions say to do is just to put them in the putty and let the vent pin it down. But I might just align it with the center screw here because it looks like the holes are the right size. So check it out. This is what an RV's fridge looks like from above. You go through there and you're in cabinetry. And that's where the wires for the new fan are going to go in as well.
But, you know, I mean, I think that was shown that that's not the case. And look, I mean, this is a hard line to draw on the show because obviously
contextualize politics.
You can't. There's no context. America doesn't have a comparison. Great noble USSR.
Our favorites.
bang bang. Ooh.
Lindsey Graham is a down.
Look what I did. I still need to come through with some lap sealant, but we got to get back on the road. You looking pretty good.
Chicago. After all, if the Cubs can win, failing the reversal of Obama-era vehicle emission standards, flowing into our country illegally, disappearing at 5.
Just toward the middle of Mexico, coming up from Honduras.
One last story today. President Trump met with the leaders of several Baltic nations. In fact, we have audio of the president meeting the head of state of Latvia.
What the fuck did they do? Who the fuck is this? Who the fuck is Tingus Pingus? I never heard of fucking Latvia. You drafted this fucking kid. You stupid motherfuckers. You.
It's one of the
the greatest sports-related YouTube clips of all time, as you probably know. It's not Donald Trump, it is a New York Knicks fan reacting to the draft choice of Kristaps Porzingis.